Have you ever thought about growing your own herbs indoors? Imagine having fresh basil, rosemary, or mint at your fingertips, enhancing your meals, purifying your air, and offering a rewarding hobby. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how easy it is to start your own indoor herb garden. First, you need to decide on the herbs you want to grow. Consider versatile herbs like basil, chives, parsley, and mint. Each offers unique flavors to enhance your meals and even has some medicinal benefits. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get planting. Now that you have your herbs, it's time to plant them. Start by filling your pots with well-draining soil, which is crucial for preventing root rot. Next, if you're using seeds, sow them lightly on top of the soil. For seedlings, make a small hole and place them in gently. Then cover with soil and press lightly. Remember, herbs need plenty of sunlight, so place your pots in a well-lit location. After planting your herbs, the next step is to provide them with proper care. Caring for your herbs is crucial for their growth and development. It's not as daunting as it seems, promise. Watering is key, but remember, more isn't always better. Overwatering can harm your green friends. Fertilizing is next. It's like giving your herbs a well-balanced diet. Pruning? Yes, that too. It encourages fuller and more vigorous growth. And let's not forget about light. Herbs love it, they crave it, so make sure they get plenty. With the right care, your herbs will thrive and provide you with a steady supply of fresh leaves. So, are you ready to start your indoor herb garden? We've walked through the process step by step, from selecting the right herbs to planting and caring for them. It's simple, isn't it? Plus, the benefits are numerous. Fresh, homegrown herbs at your fingertips, the joy of nurturing life, and even a touch of green to brighten your living space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.